Owen.
Yes, you're Owen. Who's that? Who's your new bear? What's the bear's name?
Pink.
Pink, that's right.
Bear's sitting in the chair. That's right.
I want more.
Bear wants more pizza? Okay.
What's he done? What he done? What is it?
Okay, there's more pizza for Bear.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Did you pick Bear out from all of the other bears and animals that you could have? That one was special, huh?
Grandma, that's so bad pizza.
Yeah.
Grandma, that's so bad.
You talked to Grandpa on the way home about Bear, huh?
Grandpa, that's so bad pizza.
No, Daddy bought the pizza, not Grandpa.
Grandpa, that's home. And watch what?
Bear's done. Is he thirsty?
Wait, Mom. Not him, Bill.
Clean his hands off.
Good job.
No, not eat the pizza. Oh, no, no. No,
She gave to.
Fire! A pear.
Yep.
Owen, is Bear thirsty? You gotta give him some water.
Hey, oh, bad.
Makes them all better.
It's yummy.
Yeah, yummy.
It's yummy. I want chocolate milk.
No chocolate
No
milk.
chocolate milk.
Oh, gone.
All
All
gone.
gone. Don't tip. There you go.